Hello everyone, Origami Fun here. Today we'll be making an arrow paper airplane. Fold the sheet of paper in half. Fold the corners. Fold the corners once more. This side should line up here. Do the same on the other side. Now fold the finished base in half. Make the wings. Leave about 5 centimeters from the edge. Here's the airplane we got. If you liked the video, give it a like. If you didn't, a well-deserved dislike. Subscribe to the channel.